Consciousness is the witness and consciousness is also the mind. Vedic tradition makes a clear distinction between cosmic mind and cosmic witness consciousness. The Nasadiya Suktam, for example, makes a very casual reference to both the cosmic mind and the witness consciousness. The Hiranyagarbha Suktam, on the other hand, goes on to elaborate it. Nasadiya Suktam, in its last verse, asks a question: if the cosmic witness consciousness can tell us about the way diversity happened in this creation. The Hiranyagarbha Suktam, on the other hand, goes on to elaborate it. It provides a name to cosmic witness consciousness. Cosmic witness consciousness is called Hiranyagarbha. And this witness consciousness observed or witnessed the birth of primordial fluids in the early universe. It also witnessed the birth of Agni and other Devatas. Then it saw the creation of Yajna. Let's understand all of these in context of modern cosmology. Our universe began as a tiny nucleation bubble of vacuum, and for the first 390,000 years it was filled with plasma fluids. The plasma fluid of the scientists is the same as the primordial fluid of the rishis. The Vedas call the primordial fluid as Apa, as Salila. Plasma fluid is super hot soup in which matter and energy were in constant flux. The Hiranyagarbha Suktam avoids naming the energy in that early universe as Agni. It calls the primordial fluids as Apa and Agni separated from it much later. According to Nasadiya Suktam, radiation escaped from the primordial fluid when the 5 Mahabhutas or Mahimana were created. And modern cosmology also says that when the cosmic background radiation, microwave radiation, escaped from the plasma fluid, that is when matter began to form in our universe. But the light from the first stars emerged 300 million to 500 millions from the time that the universe began as a tiny nucleation bubble. The Nasadiya Suktam conveys this idea differently. It says that the Devas were missing till the diversity phase in creation. Agni and other Devas arrived at the early part of the diversity phase in creation. The birth of a star is a complex process. Devas hasten the creation impulse in the universe according to the Vedas, and Yajna is a process which channels the creation impulses in the universe. So it applies that before the stars began to shine, the Devas must have been in place to channelize all the different activities in the universe towards the birth of the first ray of light in the universe. The Hiranyagarbha Suktam therefore says that cosmic consciousness witnessed the birth of Agni, witnessed the birth of the Devas, and witnessed the birth of Yajna.